Moving day can be an emotional experience, especially for seniors. Let's explore some practical tips to help you emotionally prepare for this significant transition. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. Today, I'm sharing valuable tips on how seniors can emotionally prepare for moving day. Let's discover how you can make this transition smoother and more positive. Acknowledge your emotions. It's normal to feel a mix of emotions on moving day. Acknowledge your feelings and give yourself permission to experience them. Remember, it's okay to feel both excitement and sadness during this transition. Focus on the positives. Shift your focus to the positive aspects of moving, such as the opportunity for a fresh start, a new community, and a more manageable living space. Embrace the possibilities that come with this change. Create a moving day plan. Having a plan in place can alleviate stress and provide a sense of control. Create a moving day checklist. Organize your belongings and communicate with movers or helpers to ensure a smooth process. Seek support from loved ones. Surround yourself with supportive family and friends who can offer emotional and practical assistance. Share your feelings with them and allow them to help you through the moving process. Take time to say goodbye. Take a moment to say goodbye to the home and the memories you created there. Consider hosting a small gathering or taking a walk through your neighborhood to reflect on your time spent there. Moving day is a significant milestone, and it's important to approach it with an emotional preparation. Following these tips, you can make the transition smoother and embrace the next chapter with confidence. If you're ready to make your move and need expert guidance, I'm here to help. Call me at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. Let's work together to ensure your moving day is a positive experience. Remember, moving is not just about leaving a place. It's about starting a new journey. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to supporting you in your moving journey.